I've been having problems with this drain recently. Every time it rains, the drain overflows. So let's get these covers off and see what the problem is. As you can see from the downpipe above it, this is a rainwater drain that's fed from the guttering around the roof. So the covers are off, let's have a look. Yeah, it's pretty much as I expected. It's blocked up with silt. This has obviously been carried down by the rainwater from the gutters and deposited down here. This has obviously been going on for some time. I just hope it's not too densely packed. Let's have a look and see what we can scrape out. It's not as bad as it looked. It's quite wet. We should be able to shift it. Might need the pressure washer though. I'll start by digging out what I can. This is just a normal garden trowel I'm using. Oh, smells disgusting. Be good for the garden though. I'll speed this bit up because it took a few minutes to dig it all out. But as you'll see, the deeper I got, the wetter it got. Which is a good sign, which does mean there's water down there. I was worried that it'd be really densely packed at the bottom, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So that's the worst of it out. Last little bit down here. And I'll show you what we've got in the bucket. And if I change the camera angle, you'll see that it's now too wet to be able to dig any more out. It's also getting too deep, so we're going to have to blast the rest out with a pressure washer. Before I do, I need to find out where the outlet is, so I'm going to have to poke around with this long screwdriver until I find it. This is because we're going to use a pipe cleaner. There we go, you can see it's on this near side, just below there. So let's clean out the rest of the silt and make sure the drain's clear. We're going to be using this equipment. It's a Karcher K4 pressure washer and a Karcher PC20 pipe cleaner. The pipe cleaner's got a Karcher fitting, so you just push and twist to connect it to the control handle of the pressure washer. And at the other end, there's a rounded brass tip which is designed to break through blockages. The hose has 3 holes drilled just behind the head. These force water out backwards and so push the hose forwards. I've adapted mine by drilling an extra 1.5mm hole in the tip of the head, and I've found this works much better. To guide the pipe cleaner down into the drain, I'm going to use a short length of 32mm PVC pipe, which I'm going to push down and into the outlet. I can then push the pipe cleaner down the PVC tube and it'll go directly down into the drain. Once I'm happy that it's in the drain, I can then turn the pressure washer on and slowly feed the pipe cleaner down, and the pipe cleaner jets should clean out any silt that's down in the drain. If you do meet any obstruction, just rock the pipe cleaner backwards and forwards a few times until it breaks through. Then you can continue to feed the pipe cleaner along the drain. Leave the pressure washer on as you withdraw the pipe cleaner, but turn it off before it fully comes out, otherwise you can get splattered in muddy water. So let's pull that out, and then I'm going to attach the dirt blaster lance, which is the highest pressure lance on the K4, and I'm going to clean up the top of the hopper. And then I'm going to push the lance down into the bottom there and into the mouth of the drain, just to stir it all up, agitate it and make sure there's nothing that can settle again. So let's test it and see if it drains. We've got a bucket of water here. That's straight down, no problem at all. I'm happy with that. Just need to put the covers back on and we're done. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. See you soon.